Alright, lesson 11, conducting club meetings. 4-H professional resource kindness and competency youth program development, the program design, program implementation, program evaluation, topic access, equal access opportunity, domain sensitive communication, relevant program topics, materials, PowerPoint slides, definition of the high context of the youth development elements of the effective club meeting, and step one, identify specific life skills involved with youth and leaders, plan for balance and variety, guideline principles, essential elements of 4-H, two pieces of flip chart paper for each participant, gavel, the 4-H banner with a 4-H pledge, several rolls of 2-inch clear packing tape, 4-H club stick handouts for the half of the participants. What hat are you wearing? Handouts for half of the participants. Copies of the appendix lesson 11 handouts. Participants are not receiving the 4-H 101 curriculum. Objectives: demonstrate elements of effective 4-H club meeting. Participate 4-H club meeting. Time 1 hour and 15 minutes. Now we're going to talk about three basic elements presenting in an effective 4-H club meeting. Share the PowerPoint slide poster, the definition of high context youth development. Remember that lesson 5 of the high context youth development refers to the experience of the young people that develop the close connection with over the long period of time 4-H youth. Elements of effective club meeting. Step 1, identify with a specific life skill. With the first step, the identification life skill that you want and club members to develop. Remember, the club meeting with the role playing with conducted can offer the opportunity to practice with many life skills. Some of these must include leadership, communication, decision, problem solving, teamwork, cooperation, acceptance, differences, and SharePoint slide elements of the effective club meeting. Step 2, involvement of youth and individuals. And the next step 2 is to involve the youth along with the leaders in the planning, meeting with a guide, planning, and ensure balance of the variety of the club meeting. Should be playing with the equity youth members. If it is, if the youth is the club, youth runs meeting, attract people, the young people to the club, and to keep it everyone involved. The older youth can be more responsible for planning and implementing plans. Younger club members may need assistance for older club members or adults. Share PowerPoint slide poster element with effective club meeting. Step 3, plan for a balance and variety. Planning with a club meeting, a good rule of thumb is 90-minute meeting, business meeting 15 to 20 minutes, educational program 30 to 45 minutes, recreational and social part of the meeting 30 to 45 minutes. This is just a guideline with a club meeting and more flexible. One in the meeting might have the longer recreational program of the area. The short business meeting with a club is going on a hike, for example. The important thing to remember is that the proper planning with it necessary to know what is responsible for each activity. The primary role of the adults in the club is to make sure that the opportunities and environments created with the 4-H meeting are meeting young people's needs and building life skills. Adults can encourage you to make sure that the room set up with comfortable and appropriate for the planned activities, help you determine what equipment and supplies are needed for the activities beforehand. Show the PowerPoint slide guiding principles essential for the elements of 4-H. Remember lesson 2 with the discussion 8 and essential elements of the 4-H. Keep it in mind the essential elements in mind with the planning club program. Do just think about you with the club's environment, fostering belonging, independence, mastery, generosity, life. Let's brief the review of these concepts again. Belonging, positive relationships, caring adult, inclusive environment, safe environment, mastery, engagement and learning new skills, independence. Opportunity to see oneself as an active participant in the future of the opportunity, self-determination, generosity, opportunity to value with the practice, service with the others. Now we have the chance to put what we learned during the test. We're going to pretend that all the members knew 4-H club, with half of the class of the responsible for working with the business part of the meeting, while other half is going to be responsible for learning, demonstrating the teaching of the educational program, have approximately 20 minutes to prepare. Divided participants into the two groups, hand out copies of the 4-H club skit with the members of the one of the group, give members of the other group with a handout with the directions of what hat are you wearing along with the supplies making the hats. If you're working with a large group, you want to assign a third group to design a physical activity, game, or club for the club meeting. Possible separate with the groups in different rooms with a prepare with a presentation. Give each group with about 20 minutes to practice set up with the main room so that the officers can sit from the larger group, monitor the progress of both groups, suggest the time necessary, give the 5-minute warning meeting before the time's up. Bring both groups from in the room and invite with the club skate group into the start of the meeting. Use the handouts. Move the meeting has progress of the educational program. The second group to demonstrate what hat are they wearing activity. Let's call our meeting to order. After the skit is over, ask the participants if they have any questions how to run with the meeting all the time discussion. Are there any questions about how the typical 4-H club meeting itself, the activity demonstrates how the form of the 4-H club meeting would take with another club, the youth and leaders approve the officers may opt not to use the parliamentary procedures. Many of the 4-H clubs use parliamentary procedures for the conduct of the business meetings because it provides an orderly way to conduct meeting. Is a fair way to make group decisions where everyone has a chance to speak and is a method conducting business that is common to many of the groups. Allow 15 to 10 minutes participant briefly read the handouts. These are some of the helpful works are the appendix. They might with a copy with leaders youth the plan of the conduct of meeting. They include the following: outline of the club meeting agenda, worksheet planning of the club meeting, work checklist, evaluate the success of the meeting, explanation, parliamentary procedures, a guide for the presidents to conduct the business meeting, the guide for the secretary to review the taking notes and writing minutes, and a game using cue cards to teach the parliamentary procedures. Let's take a few minutes to look at those now. Alright, that was lesson 11, conducting club meetings.